So the objective is taking the bonnet off, taking the wing off, taking the other wing off to get to the lower bulkhead. Upper bulkhead's been repaired. The lower bulkhead needs a bit of welding. So, wings off, exposing the areas that I need to work on. Down here, up here, over here. Some bits are already done. I just need finished off. On this side as well. See, some bits are done. All that bottom bit is all done. Just got to finish off bits like up here, here. These holes and this bit. That bit, but that's all new. What you doing?
Cleaning up the bulkhead of a Land Rover 90.
Oh. So we're going to be welding in some new plates into there. Not too bad. Been worse. Some of it's already been replaced. This needs some finishing off. It's all solid, new steel. Weld marks of the previous repair. Welding done, and some paint just slapped on to protect it. Yep. Welding complete.